Img2Img Turbo is a fascinating project. What you can do with it, on the left hand side, you can start sketching an image, and then this model will generate a new image out of your sketch plus a text prompt. This image-to-image turbo sketch proposes a general method for adapting a single step diffusion model to new tasks and domains through adversarial learning. This enables to leverage the internal knowledge of pre-trained diffusion models while achieving efficient inference. As I said, you can try it out directly within the space by entering a text prompt, sketching a first draft, and choosing the style and the level of sketch guidance and generate an image based on your settings. Let me show you a quick demo out of it. This is a Hugging Face space where you can start sketching. So I will start sketching on the left hand side, and I can also enter a prompt here. So I will just say a cartoon, and then let me start sketching here and look at the magic. I'm sketching. I just created an eye. Keep an eye on the right hand side and it will start drawing. Let me draw one more eye, and it will keep changing the image as I draw. And I'm pausing in between just to let the model think. Of course, the speed is a bit low because it's a free Hugging Face space. And if your speed would be higher, the image quality will be higher. And I'll just make it bit. Let's wait for it to draw. So this one is not that good, I was hoping. Now, I think I can clear this. Okay, let's clear it and let's draw it again. Instead of cartoon, I'll just say man face. Now let's see. One, two. I'm not a good sketcher, as you can see. Let me create the mouth and then maybe a face like this, and then maybe the hair. What happened? Let's wait for it to load. So for some reason it has crashed on me. So let me maybe draw a scenery then. Maybe let me draw some. I'll just say there's the mountains. I'll just scenery. And then I'll just create sun here, moon, whatever. And then let's draw a little a basic house. Wow, see that how good is. And then we will create a window here. That is a bit better. And if I click on run, it is going to generate the final one, I believe. Cool. Let me try one more thing. I'm going to maybe draw some sort of bus. I'll just say bus, and then this is a tire, this is a tire. Yeah, much better bus. So you can see that how good it is to sketch an image, and these are the steps where you enter a text prompt like I did, start sketching, and then if you scroll down, you can set a lot of stuff like guidance, you can set up a random seed, and these are the style templates which you can set out. Now, in this project, what they are trying to do is they are trying to address two limitations of existing conditional diffusion models. First, their slow inference speed due to the iterative denoising process and their reliance on paired data for model fine tuning. And that is why, to tackle these issues, they have introduced this general method for adapting a single step diffusion model to new tasks and domain through adversarial learning objectives. Specifically, they have consolidated various modules of the vanilla latent diffusion model into a single end-to-end generator network with small trainable weights, enhancing its abilities to preserve the input image structure while reducing overfitting. They have also demonstrated that for unpaired settings or model cycle GAN turbo outperforms existing GAN-based diffusion methods for various scene translation tasks. They have also shown a lot of good performance around day to night conversion, adding, removing weather effects like fog, snow, and rain. And they have also extended their method to paired settings, where their model Pix to Pix Turbo is on par with recent works like ControlNet for sketch to photo and edge to image, but with a single step inference as we just saw. Now, there are a lot of things that you can do. Of course, your innovation and creation is the limit here. The good thing is that their code and weights are available on this GitHub repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And if you go through this GitHub repo, there are you can also install it locally, but you would need a good GPU for that. And these are the command of doing that. So you would need to have the Anaconda installed. Once you have installed it, you just git clone this repo, create this Anaconda environment, activate it, and then from there you can do H to image. You can even convert the input image to model output like this. So here, all we are saying is we are just changing the prompt to bluebird, so it has converted this bird to the bluebird. And similarly, you can change this to this where it is the prompt is ethereal fantasy concept art of an asteroid, and then similarly you can change the day to night and also night to day, and then clear to rainy and vice versa. So a lot of options here which you can do with it, so real good stuff. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.